our 36-inch bakery case. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 36¼ inches, a depth of 27 inches, height with wheels 55½ inches tall. Measurements for the bottom base will include 20½ inches from the wheels to the top of the base, and a depth of 27 inches. Coming to the back of the bakery case, we have our left and right dual slide doors, and the interior will include 3 adjustable shelves. Each shelf will measure 31½ inches in length. Length applies for each of the 3 shelves, with the depth for the top shelf include 12½ inches in depth. With the middle and last shelf, the depth will be 14¾ inches. And again, each shelf can be adjusted to the desired height of your preference. Coming to the bottom will be an access area for storage. Measurements for the last row will include 14¼ inches in depth by 33½ inches in length. Coming to the lower bottom on the back of the bakery case, we have a power switch along with temperature control, the technical diagram and the specifications along with the ETL certification. And this bakery case will run on standard 110 and 120 voltage plug. Coming to the front of the bakery case display are holders in front of each shelf. Each holder can hold your bin tags and price tags for your products that you're selling. And beneath each shelf will include an LED strip. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.